could introduce yourself, let us know what happened today, and how did you come by this opportunity to get Ghanaian citizenship as the 10th successor of the Right Honorable Marcus Mosiah Garvey?
Greetings, brothers and sisters. Greetings, Africans. It's an honor to be here. I'm in Ghana, and I'm one of the happiest men on earth. My name is Michael Duncan, 10th successor to the Honorable Marcus Mosiah Garvey, the greatest man that ever walked on earth. Mr. Garvey said it best: Africa for the Africans, those at home and those abroad. Mr. Garvey said we must let Africa be our guiding star, our stars of destiny. 100 years ago, Mr. Garvey brought Africa to Africans. Now, my brother is bringing Africans from the diaspora to Africa on the repatriation to Ghana. It's an honor. You are doing the honorable work of the Honorable Marcus Mosiah Garvey. His intention was to bring us here, but for whatever happened, some of us will not make it. So you're actually making it happen, brother, because now we are charged. You're charged with the responsibilities of bringing Africa here. For me, it's an honor to restore my legacy, to restore my citizenship, but most importantly, to honor Mr. Garvey by becoming a citizen. Mr. Garvey never make it to the soil, but we are doing the work for him. So Mr. Garvey is happy with all of us today. Mr. Garvey is happy that we came home, because Mr. Garvey told us that there will be a scramble for Africa, and if we don't get involved, Africa must be scrambled, and Africa will be taken away, and Africa will be divided. Brothers and sisters, more than anything else, Mr. Garvey did so much, and he was never recognized. But we are recognizing him today, and this is what this means to me more than anything else. Solidifying things for Mr. Garvey to let him that Africa have came home. Africans are home. And we said Africa for the Africans, those at home and those abroad. Hold on, brothers and sisters, before I do anything else, I could not pay tribute to Mr. Garvey without bringing his voice into this arena here tonight, into Ghana tonight, into Accra tonight. They locked up Mr. Garvey in prison in New York City. First, they convicted him in New York City, and they sent him to Atlanta Federal Penitentiary. It was the intention of killing Mr. Garvey, and Mr. Garvey knew that. So Mr. Garvey wrote a letter, and Mr. Garvey sent that letter to African people all over the world. He said, after my enemies are satisfied, Africans I shall come back to serve. He said, in life I'll be the same, but in death I shall be a terror to the foes of black liberty. If death has power, black people, count on me to be the real Marcus Garvey. If I may come in a cyclone or pestilence, or as God would have me, Africans, would I not let your enemies triumph over you? Would I not go to hell 1,000,000 times for you? Would I not cry at the footstool of the Lord omnipotent for you? Black people, then why is sad? Cheer up and be assured that if it takes 1,000,000 years, the sins of our enemies shall visit the 1,000,000th generation that hinder and oppress us. Black people, if I die in Atlanta, my work then shall only begin, for I shall live in the spiritual to see the days of Africa's glory. Look for me in the whirlwind. Look for me in the storm. Look for me all around you. And when I am dead, wrap me in the mantle of the red, the black, and the green. For with God's grace and blessings, I shall rise again. I shall bring with me countless millions to aid us in the fight for freedom, liberty, and life. One God, one aim, one destiny. Long live Marcus Garvey. Long live Ghana. Thank you, brother. Thank you.